Hello there guys, welcome to Dino's World. Today we talk about the Skoda Kushaq scoring 5-star safety rating at the Global NCAP testing. What does NCAP stand for? What type of crash tests are performed at Global NCAP and what does it mean for you and me? The answers to all of that and a few lesser known facts about the Kushaq, like what does the word Kushaq mean and where does the word Kushaq originate from? The answers to all of that coming up in this video. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the Skoda Kushaq 1.5 liter TSI turbo petrol, produces around 150 bhp of max power and 250 Newton meters of max torque, comes mated to the 7-speed DSG, the award-winning gearbox. Now we all know that, but today I'll try and explain how the Global NCAP safety rating is established and what makes Kushaq currently one of the safest SUVs that you can buy in our market. First of all, the acronym NCAP. The full form means New Car Assessment Program. Now, though the US NCAP originated way back in 1978 to enhance road safety, the Global NCAP was established actually in 2011 and registered in the UK. Now, mind you, we also have something called Euro NCAP, but the Global NCAP testing parameters differ from other NCAP testing procedures. To name a few, we have Euro NCAP, Asian NCAP, Japan NCAP, China NCAP and so on. But what makes Kushaq stand out is that it scores 5 stars in the Global NCAP, which is truly commendable. And finally, India has one of the safest SUVs currently available in our market, which can actually become an integral part of your family because our families deserve nothing but the best. So getting back to our subject, the Euro NCAP conducts full frontal, front offset, side impact and side pole tests. The Global NCAP ratings, however, are based on the frontal offset crash tests. The front offset crash test is done to simulate a head-on collision between two cars. The car is driven at 64 km/h in this test into a deformable barrier to simulate two cars having a head-on collision while being driven at 50 km/h each. In terms of safety score, the max adult score is 34 points, wherein 16 points are for front crash test and 16 points are for side impact crash tests and 2 points are for the seat belt reminders. For any car to qualify for these coveted 2 points given for seat belt reminders, the car should have seat belt reminder for all seats. Also, the actual score is given based on the injury readings of the adult dummies seated up front, injuries that they sustain from different regions, namely head and neck, femur, knee and pelvis, the chest area, and then we have the legs and feet. Now, while we've just looked at the 34-point adult score, we also have a 49-point child occupant protection score. Now, this actually depicts an 18-month-old and a 3-year-old seated at the back in their respective child seats and the damage that they sustain post the crash tests. So apart from the aforementioned, now we see what all other boxes a car has to check in order to get a 5-star safety rating at the Global NCAP. The new protocol has also mandated pole side impact with side head impact calculated from a pole test. Now then comes ESC or Electronic Stability Control. So what is ESC? Now ESC is something that prevents the car from overturning or toppling over during panic steering scenarios. Now the Kushaq does come with Electronic Stability Program, which is a crucial safety feature to have on board. And when we look at the Kushaq's final safety rating, it scores an impressive 29.64 out of 34 for the adult safety and 42 out of 49 for child safety. So with the figures and the test demo being presented live in front of you, actions speak louder than words, with the Kushaq walking the talk and letting its tank-like build quality doing the talking, while bringing home all the accolades with a super impressive Global NCAP safety rating of 5 stars, thereby making it a rock solid and sturdy SUV. The Kushaq is Skoda's first made-in-India SUV built based on the India-specific MQB A0iN platform. It's their first production vehicle of the India 2.0 project. Now, made in India for the world is what Skoda proudly claim about the Kushaq. Now, I'm sure many of you might be unaware of this, but the name Kushaq is actually a Sanskrit word which means a king or a ruler. So now that the Kushaq has achieved a 5-star safety rating at the Global NCAP, I'm pretty damn sure that it's all set to rule the SUV segment here in India. Now, we all know that the Kushaq is already high on performance with the 1.5-litre 4-cylinder turbo petrol engine mated to the 7-speed DSG. It's also high on luxury, offering ventilated seats, leather upholstery, sunroof, smoking hot exterior and soothing interiors. It's also high on utility with 385 litres of boot space and a spacious cabin. But now it's also high on safety, offering the safest ride possible for your loving family. So that's pretty much it for now. This was a quick run through of how the Global NCAP safety rating is established for the cars currently available in our market. If you like what you see and want to see more pure automobile content coming your way, stay subscribed, or please do subscribe and hit the notification bell icon such that you are notified as soon as I upload a brand new video. So that's pretty much it for now. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Until then, take care, God bless, and ride safe.